Good morning, students of Standard 10th. Today we are going to study topic Khaving system from chapter 6, Natural Resources. Khaving system. The main objective of Khaving system is to harvest rainwater. So students, the main function of the Khaving system is to harvest the rainwater. Students, we know that most of the rainwater via various channels enters into the drainage system and further does not remains of any use to us. So students, Khaving system is one of the significant method in which we can reduce the excessive rainwater to get mixed with the sewage water and further which cannot be used by the human beings for any other purpose. So students, if you notice, then you can find that there are presence of certain areas like catchment area, the seepage area, the saline area, and the area where the dug well is present. So students, the catchment area, the seepage area, the saline area and the dug well area are the important parts or the components of the Khaving system. Catchment area. It is the source of water which is drained into village. So students, if you concentrate on the catchment area, then you can notice it is actually the source of rainwater which is to be drained into the village. So students, this area which you can see here, this is called as the catchment area because from here there will be a presence of a river, and via the river, via the help of various channels, the water is allowed to enter into the village, and this is why it is called as the catchment area. Bandh. It is an embankment against which the water is allowed to fall from catchment area. The water accumulates and restores water in water table. So students, bandh actually is a embankment which is made against the water and against which the water is allowed to fall from the catchment area. So students, we can understand that bandh as the earthen embankment against which the water is allowed to fall from the catchment area. Now students, due to the presence of the bandh, the water is not able to move from one region of the bandh to the another region of the bandh, rather further starts getting accumulated, that is further starts getting collected and restores water in the water table. So students, water, if you concentrate in this picture, then you can notice the water which is getting collected here, further as it cannot move from this area of the bund to the another area of the bund, further will start getting drained deep inside the water and further will restore water in the water table. So students, we can notice that there is a very important or significant role of bund in the Khadim system. Dugwell. Now students, if you concentrate here on this picture, then you can notice there is presence of a shallow dugwell. Increase in water table helps in water availability in dugwell in the village. So students, the water which starts seeping deep inside the soil further recharges the water table, and due to the restoring of water in the water table, the water students which remains present in the well, that is the dugwell, also gets increased. So students, with the help of this Khadim system of rainwater harvesting, we can easily understand that how water from the catchment area further can be utilized to restore the water in the groundwater table, and how the groundwater table will further restore water in the shallow dugwell. So students, in this way we can notice that there was minimum wastage of the water, as the water was fully utilized to restore the groundwater table. Students, now let's discuss a very important question. Explain Khadim system. Khadim system of rainwater harvesting is the process to increase the water of the water table. The water from the catchment area is allowed to fall against bund. Water accumulates and increases the water table. So students, Khadim system plays a very important role in restoring the water of the water table. Students, we know that we continuously keep on extracting the water from the water table. As a result, the water present in the water table starts decreasing. So students, there is a process by which we can restore the water present in the Khadim system of rainwater harvesting. Students, we know that Khadim system of rainwater harvesting comprises of some important parts like the catchment area. It is a place from where the sources of water is further channelized with the help of various canals to fall against the bund. Students, we know that bund is a embankment which does not allows all the water which is being collected against the bund to enter into the valley, into the village, so that the water which gets accumulated near the bund further starts percolating deep inside the soil, and the water present in the water table gets restored. Since this restoring of the water in the water table by the percolation of soil which has collected against the bund leads to the restoring of the water present in the dugwell. Thank you, students.